Hello guys, greetings to you all, Science Soko. Welcome to my page once again. In case this is your first time coming across my video, this is Omukoro Road That Destiny, aka Oflefle Ramote. Want to teach you some things today. What you want to learn today now? Door. Door for Isoko we dey call am Ete. And for Isoko, e get one community. Na be the senior community in Isoko. And this community gets one different language when they speak apart from the general Isoko. And that is my hometown. Okay. So now, door in Isoko, we they call her Ete. Erowa they call her Ukwezi or Ezi. So for example, maybe you want to tell person say, jam the door or close the door. Isoko we dey talk am wuetena or sietena gbe. Then maybe you want tell person say open the door. Isoko go say rovietena. Erwa go say riezira. Now maybe you want tell person say lock the door. Isoko go say carry etena. Erwa go say kwezira or kanizira. Alright, see you guys in my next video. Please do well to like, comment, and share. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook and TikTok. Thank you. God bless you. I love you all.